Hi everyone. Just in case you wanted to see my craft room, I thought I would show you. It's much cleaner today than it normally is, but I'll just give you a little bit of a tour. I have a lot of stuff, but I paint, I make dollhouse miniatures, so kind of need a lot of stuff sometimes. But here we go. I'm going to turn the camera so you can kind of see my room. This is my favorite room in the house, where I love to spend my time, my free time when I do have it. So this is kind of the, I don't know. I can tell you, this was, and it's not finished yet, an old player piano. Get it open. It kind of sticks sometimes. You need both hands. Player piano. So all the rolls were on these little shelves, and I just turned it into a scrapbooking cabinet, and I put all my big papers up in there. I painted it. It was like a mahogany color, and I want to add something on the front here. I just haven't done that yet since I've moved. Tons of projects have been added to my list. My desk I got from my cousin. I absolutely love it. It's full of like my paints and some of my watercolors, just other desk things that I need. I wallpapered my wall. This just this one. It's an accent wall. You can kind of get a visual of it. And I have more work to do. In here, I want to get a new door. I have my baseboard molding to add on yet. That is some of my miniatures, and that's my light I use to light up my miniatures when I'm taking pictures for display when I sell them in my shop. So this is a little shelf that my husband had made for me, and a couple of shadow boxes. Just some of my miniatures are in there. Let's see, what else do I have? I just have lots of things. Oh, pictures, some pictures, family pictures, my son when he was a baby, and my grandchildren. Let's see, what else do I have? This is my Cricut area. So lots of, I don't know, probably there is a lot of other stuff in those little drawers. It's just, this room is not big enough, so I just kind of had to make a little island where I bought my Cricut, this little station here, and I just put a board on it with some pretty contact paper. And let's see, what else do we, kind of my shipping area, and this is where I keep a lot of my miniatures. There. And I have a ton of them in there, and lots more that I make. Oops, they fall out on my Halloween stuff. But I have them all kind of categorized, so I know when I sell something, I know the general area that it's in. It's really, really hard to keep organized because I have so many paintings. This is kind of a storage. My storage. I took the closet and just put shelves in there and made storage. You never have enough storage. Another cube and some sewing stuff, but this is my my display that I made. So when I take pictures, I take them in here, and you really can't see outside of this little box. It's lit up, really cute, and it's Christmas lights around it, but I bring the light over here so it can be lit up and you can see pictures better. Some of my other painting stuff, lots of art, lots of artwork. Some of my paintings, pencils, colored pencils, watercolors, this is kind of categorized in color. My acrylics, blues, greens, that, and my work area. This little painting that I had starfish in the water along the beach. Lots of one of my fun things to make when they're done. They take me about a week to make them, but I designed the pattern like a haunted house. I think I put video or pictures on Facebook before of them. Some other work that I'm working on. I painted this and I got a frame for it. I just got to get it all put together. Some of my other things, my mother bought me for my birthday, flowers that I made. My Cricut, those are Cricut cartridges, and then CDs with rubber stamps, kind of organized. Let's see what else. This desk I made. I have a desk across from a desk, but this was a desk, and the top I put, the top I took off, and now that's my island top in my kitchen, and I refinished it. But I took the two drawer sides, and then I bought a 2x6, I think, piece of wood, and I stained it. And that is the top of my, and it gets roughed up, but that's okay. It's my art desk. So, some other things, and now we've gone full circle. I have my sewing machine. I love to sew too. My printers. I have a huge wide format printer. Printing out my designs. Another laser printer, and then I have a scanner that scans all of my images. Here's some more of my little minis, some paintings up there. Some more of my minis. I've made probably a couple thousand over the past, I don't know how many years, but here's little things that I've painted. The cake. Tiny cake. I don't know how well it shows, but boxes and some Halloween goodies, and the Valentine's box, another Halloween. Most of my Halloween things are gone because people love Halloween. Some of my chairs, fireplace, my sink. I had a dollhouse, but I sold it when I was in Texas, so it's gone. A vanity I made. I got a little stool. Oh, my tiny little houses. They're adorable. I think I don't have any. This is my last one. They're fun to make. I love making them, but I don't have. And then I paint on them and make little sidewalks and shutters and grasses and stones and lampposts. They're fun to make. In my suitcases, I also make little doll Barbie suitcases. This is my last one. I've made lots of them, and I usually do something on the other side. So it's kind of a tour of some of the things I do. Here's someone that just has glitter on it. And then this one's kind of neat. It's like a vintage. In the back. This one's not for sale. So, but anyway, there's a quick tour of my craft room. I thought it'd be fun to show you some of the things I love to do and what I do with my time. And outside of this room, I have many other projects going on and working as well. So, hope you like it. That's my craft room, and it's what I do and love to do. Thanks for looking. Bye.